The Cruising Club is a revolution for anyone who's always wanted the luxury of a boat but could never afford it. The Cruising Club shared boat ownership is the answer. With our system, you can own a luxury boat at a fraction of the price, sharing the costs of ownership and maintenance. This allows you the luxury of getting on the water without the burden that comes with it. Starting in 1998, the Cruising Club is the largest boat share company in Australia, and we guarantee the highest level of customer care. The Cruising Club, the ultimate lifestyle choice.